have in front of me here a 150 meg wireless extender. Okay, these are great little units. They sit really well with the range of home plugs, etc. that we send. Because what this unit basically is doing is it's extending your Wi-Fi network by simply picking up the signal, amplifying it and rebroadcasting it wirelessly. So it's really, really simple unit, and it sits really, really well in terms of what people are trying to achieve in terms of there's areas in our house where they don't have an easy black spots for Wi-Fi networks, things like this. This means that you just come along, you plug this unit in, it picks up the Wi-Fi network and rebroadcasts on the Wi-Fi for you. So let's just look at what comes here. We have the outer box here. As you can see, it's a neat unit. We have an instruction manual here. It gives very, very good step-by-step of setting it up. Then we have just the basic specifications. We have a mini CD, which is here, and we also have probably won't need this, we also have the Ethernet cable here, which you probably won't need it as well indeed. So let's just think about what would happen. When you go to actually set this up, you'd have your router, and you'd come along with, say, if you want to connect this onto your router, you'd have your router here, and you'd plug this, if possible, right beside it. You push the WPS button on the router, and then you come along and you press this button here. And what it does is, in the space of about 2 minutes or so, it'll map, and probably much quicker than that, it'll map this onto the router so they'll be paired together, so it'll pick it up automatically. And at that point, what you can do is you have this successfully paired onto your router. You can come along then and you can go to, we'll say, the point that's close to where the end of where your good Wi-Fi signal is and where you want to start rebroadcasting again. You simply plug this into the wall, and after about 30 seconds, it'll identify the router thing on it. You'll have an idea of the strength of the signal. It'll go from 1 bar all the way up to 5 bars. From 3 upwards is probably counted good. And what you can do is you can pick the optimal point to have this in the house then, in terms of you don't want to have it so close to the router that it's not extending your range, but you don't want to have it so far away from the Wi-Fi network that you can't pick up a good signal to be able to rebroadcast it on. So it's just a really nice little product, really easy to set up. There's a plan B with it there where you can go and set it up with Ethernet cable and program it on the PC, but obviously nobody wants to do this. It's much more of a plug and play type of unit. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 150 meg wireless extender.